Today, we're looking at a breakthrough in biomimetic technology, the Swift. This is a high-performance drone that abandons the traditional quadcopter design for pure natural aerodynamics. It doesn't just move through the air, it lives in it. Most drones are built to hover like a mechanical fan. This gadget is built for the sensation of flight. It uses flapping wings to generate lift, creating a fluid, organic movement that feels more like a living creature than a machine. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a total beginner, the experience is designed to be intuitive. It's the result of over 15 years of research by Bionic, a team that has already delivered flying tech to thousands of people worldwide. This isn't just a concept, it's a refined flying machine built on a legacy of bionic performance. The versatility of this tool is honestly impressive. It has two distinct personalities thanks to its interchangeable tails. The speed tail, when you want a thrill, this configuration allows for high-energy maneuvers and a top speed of 31 kilometers per hour. That's nearly 20 miles per hour. The precision tail, if you're flying indoors or in a tight office space, swap the tail to slow things down. It can fly as slow as 3.5 kilometers per hour, allowing for delicate, graceful movements. With 5 different settings per tail, you can fine-tune exactly how it responds to your touch, making it perfect for any environment. Don't let the lightweight design fool you. It is packed with a next-gen stabilization system. Onboard gyros and sensors act like a digital co-pilot, making constant corrections to keep the flight smooth and predictable. This zero-drift experience means you can fly with confidence, even if a light breeze picks up. Control is also effortless. You can use a dedicated app on your smartphone, which features a streamlined interface and safety modes like an emergency motor cut. For those who want that classic RC feel, there's an optional joystick called the X-Play. It snaps onto your phone, giving you the physical precision of a professional controller. At just 10.9 grams, this gadget is a masterpiece of weight optimization. You might think something so light would be fragile, but it's actually the opposite. Think about a feather. It's hard to break because it has so little mass. The body is made of resilient EPP foam, reinforced with carbon fiber and titanium. It's designed to absorb the bumps and oops moments of everyday flying. It can even take off directly from the ground, like a real plane on smooth surfaces like tile or asphalt. Traditional drones have a loud mechanical buzz. This tool has a natural wingbeat character. It's so lifelike that even birds in the wild often fly alongside it to see what's going on. With a 150-meter range and customizable multicolor LEDs for night flying, the sky truly becomes your playground. If you're tired of the same old propeller drones and want to experience the true physics of nature, you should definitely check this out. If you enjoyed this look at the future of flight, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech deep dives. You can find the link to the Swift in the description below.